What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. David Van Voorst here. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow me on everything.
Gotta plug the new website too.
Oh yeah.
You can't say the F word. F-A-G.
Oh yeah, it's YouTube. I'm sorry.
Demonetized. I'll block that out. Gosh. Plug the new website.
Guys, make sure you...
Oh my. Okay, check out the new website. I'm gonna link it below and I'm gonna put it right here. I just started it. I talked about it before. It's vanvorstgarage.com. So you can order posters, high resolution images of the cars, our cars and the photos that I've shot. They come in a matte finish and they're actually 18 inches high and then 24 inches wide, and they'll come in the 2 poster shipping containers. So they typically will take about a week to ship out once we print them and then package them. But as you can tell, it's another windy day in good old Amarillo. Look at your hair going everywhere. So today, I actually got sent some more parts from Oxmart USA, so shout out to them. They hit me up on Instagram and they have a new rack that goes across the top on the Jeep Grand Cherokees. They knew we had the Trackhawk, so we're gonna see if it fits on the Trackhawk. It should fit on all the newer Grand Cherokee models as long as you already have the stock rails here. So we're gonna see how it fits on the Trackhawk, and then actually I have 2 of them and I'm gonna give them away, and we're gonna talk about that here in a second, how we're gonna actually give those away. Alright, so here it is on Amazon. I'll put the link below, but it fits 2011 to 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's the roof rack crossbars, and it's $92 free shipping. That's a really good price. So it's just the crossbars here. So let's open padding in here so nothing gets broken. So just rip open one of the sides. So you guys are seeing this. I haven't opened these yet, so you guys are seeing this just as I'm seeing it. It's actually pretty nice.
If I can get it out.
Alright, these are actually really nice. Huh. Alright. I'm actually surprised the fit, or not the fit, we haven't fit them yet, but the finish of these is actually really nice. So it looks like a gloss black, and then there's like this little matte black rubber padding here. So, let's see what it comes with. It comes with instructions. There's a key to lock it. Damn, the key even says Jeep on it. Okay. So the little lock key actually says Jeep on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then there's a little key here to actually adjust them. And there's actually a sticker on there in case someone's borrowing your Jeep, but it says what the max weight of them is. So what's the max weight? I think it's 150 pounds. The sticker fell out. Shit. But alright, we're gonna mount these up real quick and we'll see how well they actually mount up. But they've got adjustments on them, I believe. So yeah, well, not really adjustments, but you unscrew this and it should bolt right up. So let's see what happens. Okay, so here's the side lock right there for the key, which they provide. And then this first one here, that one goes to this bolt underneath, which you actually tighten on top of the rack up here on one of these. I don't know which one it is yet. We'll figure that out. And then the second bolt is actually the adjuster, so you could actually slide this over to get it to the right fit. So let's toss it up there and see what happens. Just toss it. So Oxmart is actually really smart. This Allen wrench key, or like star key they give you, fits the stock bolts here, which is the same as that. So really you just need the one tool. What do you think, Kev? You guys are fucking up the code. Don't worry about Kev here. So we just realized that these don't fit Trackhawks, and when they messaged me, they told me these only fit a limited and an overland. So the reason why is there's no groove down the middle of these to sit in, and these have a little metal plate that actually would go in the groove. So usually there's like a little cut in here, and these 2 little metal plates, I don't know if you can see them, would sit in there. So, but that's what it would look like. I'm sure they'll probably come out with one that fits the Trackhawk, or I know Mopar makes one for sure, but you guys can see what these look like. So what we're gonna do is, if anyone wants these, and you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011 to 2018 in Overland or Limited, and you want these racks, just message me. So the first 2 people to message me, I have 2 sets of them. The first 2 people to email me, davidvanvorst@hotmail.com. That's my full email. First 2 people to email me will get these shipped to them within the next week. But yeah, guess they don't fit Trackhawks. We failed. This is a fail right here. But they're actually pretty nice. They are pretty low profile, and then you can hook like a luggage rack or a storage thing up there. But yeah, for $92 with free shipping, that's pretty good. They just don't fit Trackhawk because they don't have the right hookups there. So that's a fail for today. Kennedy, thoughts?
None.
None. She's a woman of very few words on the YouTube.
On camera.
On camera. But so make sure you guys check out Oxmart USA. I'm gonna link their stuff below. They're really cool. They always send me products to test out and give my honest review of. And I think for the price, they're actually really good quality. And for 92 bucks shipped, it gives you some racks to hook up some storage. So if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland or Limited 2011 to 2018, you may check because they may have other ones for other years also, but I would recommend these if you're looking for an inexpensive, budget-friendly crossbar that goes across your Jeep. And like I said, email me, davidvanvorst@hotmail.com. I've got 2 sets, and I'm going to ship them out to the first 2 people that email me, so make sure you send them as quick as possible, and I'll be checking my email all day. Also, make sure you guys check out vanvorstgarage.com. We do have posters. They're live on the site. If you see some things on the website you don't like, just email me and I'll fix them. We just started it, so there's stuff we need to fix and correct and fine-tune. It's the first time building the website. But those will ship out in the next week or 2. So make sure you guys get your orders in, and we'll be constantly updating that with t-shirts, stickers, key tags, I'm sure at one point. Different pictures of the cars. We just wanted to start with these first 6 images. And we still have the Contagion Athletics clothing line. We're just trying to offer something different for our followers. And I think that's it, right? That's it. Kennedy? Final thoughts. All right, those are final thoughts. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Bambi39. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit up Oxmart USA. You can find them on Amazon and other websites. And hit up Kennedy McCall at Kennedy McCall.
And
her new Instagram.